and good morning. Welcome back to the channel. We're on another little adventure. Nearly lost my teeth then.
You ain't got any false teeth.
Well, now you put me right off. What was I saying?
Welcome to a little adventure.
Oh yeah. We're just having a sneaky week at one of our favourite little CLs in the middle of Norfolk, Field View. We've been here before. It's a lovely little place, lovely little location close to the coast. We just love it because we can bring the dogs chill out here. We don't do a lot, and we're just enjoying life. The weather's been warm, slightly overcast but windy. We had a couple of windy days, haven't we?
Really windy, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it was quite hard getting the awning up actually.
Yeah, it was a little bit of a struggle, but we got it. We've got the Isabella with us today. The poled awning, our preference. Yeah, well, hopefully we get the drone up and take a few shots over the site just to show you what's what. We did have a neighbour. They've left this morning, and we didn't think anyone else was coming for the weekend, but we've just learnt that there's a couple of other people turning up today, so we won't be all alone. Not that we mind anyway, but yeah, well, catch us on our little adventure. We're not going to do too much, go too far, because the week after next we're going up north for a week, so you'll have to stay tuned to see where we get to and what we get up to. But for now, we're just going to chill, and we'll see you later.
Yeah, see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Well, this afternoon we've come to Morston Point, Morston Quay National Trust, a little harbour on the North Norfolk coast. Just going to walk the dogs along the coastal path. A little bit windy, but it's very warm. Let's go and have a look then.
Lost in the day, floating further away from the anchors that weigh me down. Familiar faces filled with dismay, 'cause the sun rises and it won't. But know your time will come, and there's no use in going alone. Keep your eyes on the horizon, and together we will run. to know. Like trees in the garden, we'll hold fires without parting, 'cause we got everything we want. I know your time will come, and there's no use in going alone. Keep your eyes on.
Yeah, that's the dogs set up for the morning. They're in the shade, they've got plenty of water. They've had a little walk and a run. That's why they're panting a little bit. They've just been chasing a tennis ball. But they're happy.
And our little Bobo?
Yeah, the little ones. She never gets caged up. She has to run to the place. Not that she does anything wrong. But she's asleep near her mum's feet. She's happy as well.
And I'm happy too.
Well, if you're happy, I'm happy. No other way to be, is there? Well, it has been a scorcher of a day, and a windy one with it. I burnt my foot, my operated foot on. Operated on foot, yeah. She's laughing at me. Something terrible's just happened. She just took a slug of her red wine and swallowed a fly.
Not good.
Poor fly. He'll die.
Yeah. Swallow the spider to catch the fly.
You need a spider now.
That hit put me off though, I must say.
So that'd take a lot to put you off.
You know, that was close.
Maybe an earthquake. Tsunami.
God forbid.
We haven't really done a lot today. We've just chilled out. There's another caravan arrived now on the other corner. Had a chat with Becky and with Rob today. They're such lovely owners. They're very welcoming.
Very accommodating.
Very accommodating. Yeah. Can't recommend this site enough. Superb, superb. But apart from that, we have not done a lot, have we?
No, I thought the dog came in the field a couple of times.
Yeah.
It's just too hot for them at the moment.
That
I
is,
think.
yeah, we didn't go on the tarmac, that's too much.
Oh no, definitely. Now they're nice and cool in the shade. We're at the other side of the caravan.
I would just like to show you this. Look, this is my bottle of wine here, which I've had for 3 days now. And this is Sharon's empty second bottle today. What have you got to say for yourself?
Well, what I have got to say.
Don't tell any stories.
No, I won't. I won't. Your pink one, you've opened tonight. This red one has been opened 3 nights, and I'm not the one that's been drinking it. I've had a little sip because I've had gin and tonic. So I think you'll find you're wrong.
All I can say is, I think you must be colourblind, and the alcohol has affected your brain, because you don't know how many you've had so far.
I do! I haven't had a lot this week. Gin and tonic every night.
Yeah, I know.
Not unlike you, darling, that's had beers, gin and tonic, and red wine, 2 bottles.
I know, but yeah, in this heat you've got to stay hydrated.
Yeah, I'm drinking water.
Oh God, yeah. Anyway, I've got to get on with some more washing up now, and I'll probably get the Hoover out.
No, you won't.
Somebody's got to do it.
Can I just add that I have cooked all week, apart from one little bit of barbecuing you've done, but I've done all the preparation and everything like that. And I have been washing up as well, so
I think you've got. Not only have you been affected by the amount of wine, but you've got to touch your sunstroke as well.
I have not. I have been washing up.
You're delusional now.
And I've done all the lunches.
Oh my God. Right, we're going to have to cut the video there now because it's getting embarrassing.
Yeah, because you've done nothing.
Okay.
Well, that's a lie. That is a lie. You have done something. You've been working on your film. Or the
Yeah.
or the camera.
Yep, yep, yep,
Which has got out tonight.
yep. True.
That's what you've done.
Yeah.
You haven't even had to make beds up or nothing, have you?
No, yes dear, no dear. Anyway, I think that's enough for now. We'll see you later on. No more drink for you.
Hi. Morning.
Good morning. Where are we today?
Cley Beach.
Cley Beach. Very nice beach. Very shingly. Very exotic. Yeah.
Say hello, puppy. Say hello, puppy.
No chance.
Puppy. They're watching the other dogs swim because they want to go back in, so give them a little rest.
Yep. Got the fishing rod in the car, but no signs of any mackerel, and there's no signs of anybody else fishing. So.
I think they fish at night time.
Yeah, but I don't think the mackerel are in here yet.
What did Josh catch the other day?
Whiting.
Whiting. You've got whiting, did you?
What do you mean? Oh, is that your name? Yes. Yeah, I landed a big one.
I'm trying to lose weight.
I'm going to get slapped when the camera goes off, I know it. The spoiled one.
No, you're not spoiled, are you, baby girl?
I meant you.
Did you hear what Daddy said about Mummy? Okay. So she might be a bit spoiled. Yeah. You're not going to the water, are
These
you?
three just sit there and think, whatever's going on.
Actually, they want pieces of both getting. She wants something to play with. I thought I bought her toy.
Well, it's our last evening. The sun is setting over the horizon. We're home in the morning. We have managed to pack a few little bits up. Packed the barbecue away, washed it up and packed it up. A couple of other little bits. But we're going to do the majority of it in the morning. It's just a bit too hot and a bit too nice to do it now. So instead, we're having a glass of port, cheese and biscuits, and watch the sunset.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Absolutely. I can't sleep properly because the sun's in my eyes, but...
No, I know what you mean. It's been a nice week. It's been very hot. Today has been...
It was overcast this morning. We went down to the beach, didn't we?
Yeah, the dogs have had a swim. You'll have seen that. It's been a little bit, like I said, quite breezy up till today. But today the wind's gone round a little bit and it's not half as windy as it was. We've had a nice week. We haven't done a lot of filming. We haven't done a lot of travelling about. We've just done a lot of relaxing, which I think is what we needed.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So we're going to enjoy our cheese and biscuits, and I reckon that's it, isn't it? Nothing else to say?
Not really, no, apart from we'll see you in a week's time when we go up north.
Yes. Oh, one good piece of news, for us anyway. We have just hit 2,000 subscribers, for which we are very, very grateful to all of you. Thank you very much. We didn't start out to make a big channel, but it's slowly climbing. So, yeah, thank you very, very much for all the comments, subscriptions, all the rest of it. We do really
appreciate it.
Yeah.
Cheers to you guys out there.
Cheers. Well, I've got to get on with this port. It's drying up in this heat. It's evaporating.
Oh, you mean you're swallowing it too fast?
I haven't started yet. Okay. Well, I think that's it for now. So, thanks for watching.
See you in the next one.
Bye for now.
Bye.